Myself, Ansari Tahira Tasneem Haji Muhammad, from Economics Department in JT Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. Today, my topic is factors responsible for low agricultural productivity. What are the factors which hindrance our low productivity in India being instead of agricultural country? First is rural environment. In India, rural environment itself important cause behind low productivity. Indians are lazy, illiterate, superstitious, conservative, unresponsive to the modern methods of production. Their marginal productivity is zero or near zero due to family cultivation process. Second cause is higher pressure on population on land. Indian agriculture is characterized by huge population pressure. According to 2001 census, 72.2% of our total population lived in rural areas, that is 70% was engaged in agriculture. Due to rise in the population, there is subdivision and fragmentation of land lead to low productivity. Third cause is degradation of land. According to Government of India, about 329 hectares of land have degraded. This results 67% of yield loss. Moreover, 5% of land have been damaged so badly that it can't be used further for the productivity. Number 4 reason is existence of big farmers. Although zamindari system had been abolished in India, but existence of big farmers playing their role in rural areas. These landowners, they are regulating the lagan. This is the position of tenants are going to worse day by day. It is most difficult to raise the agricultural productivity. Number 5th cause is irregular and inadequate credit and marketing facilities. Due to inadequate and insufficient availability of agricultural loans at minimum rate of interest. इन्हें 7/12 का उतारा और 2 लोगों की जमानत लगती है, लेकिन इन्हें साइन दे भी तो कौन दे? The poor farmers cannot properly invest their money on land during the peak season of the cultivation, so they are helpless. Moreover, the marketing of agricultural crops are regulated by middlemen. All these resulted low agricultural productivity. There is also a lack of finance and modern technologies. In India, about 60% of cultivable land are out of irrigational facilities. Lack of finance and less capital formation, lack of modern technologies are responsible for low agricultural productivity. These are the factors which are responsible for low agricultural productivity. Thank you. Thanks a lot for listening me.